Hey guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to my page. So today we are making party food. We are cooking party food for my customers' end of year party. So we are making pepper soup, fried chicken, and soup as well. So right now we are in the kitchen cooking. So it's early morning. This is 7 for 7 a.m. in the morning. So we've been here since 5 a.m. cooking all kinds of Nigerian delicacy for my customers. So stay tuned as I show you how I prepare the meal that they will be eating today. My pepper soup is ready. I've done cooking the pepper soup. So let's try to taste it. It's very hot. Hot and peppish. It's delicious. Okay, this is a Nigerian delicacy. Pepper soup. We call it pepper soup. Here is goat meat, chili, then scent leaf, and other spices. So It's very spicy. Oh. Spicy and delicious. Look at the face.